In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your feedback survey results. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your feedback, enterprise, or location selected, then click on Collaboration. There are two ways you can view the results. You can go to your new top menu bar and click on Feedback, then choose Results from the drop-down menu, or you can select Results next to the name of the survey in the feedback column. I'll go ahead and choose Results next to Holiday Party Ideas. Now I have arrived at a summary of my results for my holiday party. For the first question, I can see that the White Elephant Gift Exchange is the winner. For the craft contest second question, I can see that Gingerbread House Building won by 1 vote. Then when I scroll down, I can see most people want to have the holiday party on Monday the 17th, and then only 3 people provided suggestions for the prize for the holiday sweater contest, and I can see their answers. I can see one person said an extra PTO day and massage, another person said day off and lunch, and a third person said gift card. Notice next to the name of each of these questions, I can see the type of question it was. So next to prize for ugly sweater contest, it says text multi. That means that my recipients were able to enter in their own answers. Next to win, I see date. That means they could only select a date. They couldn't do anything else with that question. And next to craft contest, it says check. That means they could check any of these boxes, and they could check more than one. If I scroll back up, the top question, gift exchange, has radio next to it. That means it was a single answer radio response, or in other words, it had the little circle and they could only pick one of these answers. If I want to look at the details for this survey, I can click the Details tab. Now I can see when someone responded, if they were a manager or an employee, and their name, and what their answers were to the questions. If I had enabled comments and allowed my recipients to ask questions or comment on these options, I could click this tab, and this is where I would see any comments they had provided. Right now I can see when they answered the survey, who filled it out, whether it was a manager or an employee, and any notes. Notice in the manager column, one says Max, and next to it says the employee. That's because that manager entered in that employee's response to the survey for them. The other thing I can do with my results is I can change the date range that I'm viewing. Right now I'm seeing the results for the month of December. If I want to see last month's results, I can go up to the top and click the back arrow. Now you'll see that there are no results for the month of November because this survey wasn't active yet. To go back, I can use the forward arrow. I could also change the date by clicking the calendar icon and selecting a specific day, and I don't have to view 1 month at a time. If I click the arrow next to month, I can choose to view a specific range, a specific day, week, month, quarter, or year. Maybe I want to view 1 day at a time, so I can click on day. And now I can see that no one answered the survey on the 17th. That's how you can view the results of your feedback survey. Check out the next video to learn how to add results to your surveys.